debate with Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Anand Ranganathan and Tehseen Poonawalla is Tausif Khan, political analyst. And Tausif bhai, I want to ask you, why today is the Trinamool Congress once again very upset about Taslima Nasreen's return? I thought you stood for women empowerment. You stood for Mati Manush. You stood for protection of the minorities. Why not protect and celebrate Taslima Nasreen's return as well? This is secularism. This is tolerance, the values that you uphold.
So you are suggesting that BJP's decision to bring Taslima Nasreen back is rooted in the fact that it amounts to women empowerment, right? But I don't believe in what you are trying to propagate, because she is a woman who is blasphemous. She has abused Prophet Muhammad.
Disgusting.
She has hurt the sentiment of the people in the subcontinent. She was banned by her own country. She was thrown out by her own country long ago.
This is absolutely unacceptable, Navika.
She was driven out of India, and now BJP.
So I thought you were broad-minded, Tausif Khan. I thought you were broad-minded, more broad-minded than people of Bangladesh, but certainly not. Anand Ranganathan,
you to abuse
preaching
Muhammad, become blasphemous and call it broad-minded. Going by that logic, why didn't you invite MF Hussain back to India? He was an Indian citizen. Why was he driven out of India? If you apply that logic, be broad-minded. Why didn't you allow him back into country? Stop
Anand Ranganathan.
BJP wants to provoke Muslims. BJP hates Muslims. BJP is trying to create a problem in Bengal. Some kind of satisfaction.
You want to have the sole right of provocation. Tausif Khan wants the sole right of provocation. Anand Ranganathan, please respond.
Navika, this type of jihadism and extreme bigotry on live television should be unacceptable. But because I'm a free speech absolutist, I don't mind what the previous panelist said. First of all, he must get the fact. No, please, Tausif, I do not. No, I did not. Please.
No, you're talking about free speech. Is it same for MF Hussain?
These are the...
Will you say the same thing for MF Hussain?
Yes, I'm not a bigot like you.
Yes, MF Hussain, I'm sorry, passed away in 2011. MF Hussain passed away in 2011. The BJP had nothing to do with MF Hussain. So just hold on. So just hold on, Tausif Khan. I'm lowering your fader, Anand Ranganathan.
No, this bigot was expecting that I, as a free speech absolutist, would condemn MF Hussain and want him arrested. Now, he's going to eat his own words. Be that as it may, replying to them, jihadists, is inconsequential. What I want to say out here is very substantive. First of all, Taslima Nasreen did not, quote-unquote, blaspheme. This is a complete canard being spread. She was excommunicated because of her book called Lajja, because the Islamists in her own country were the ones who drove her out, and the scared headless chickens in our country, these so-called leftists and Congressy cabal, didn't have the guts to stand up for free speech. This is the problem in this country. When it comes to Hinduism, they don't mind burning the Manusmriti. They don't mind insulting Hindu gods. They don't mind burning the Ramcharitmanas. There, everything is fine. But when it comes to Islam, char neembu nichodne se doodh bhi itna nahi fatta. I don't want to complete the sentence. The fact of the matter is that she could have been lynched in Hyderabad a decade ago when AIMIM corporators nearly attacked her virulently. They wanted to behead her. This is happening in democratic India. I want to congratulate the BJP government of Bengal to have brought her back. She must not just be brought back, she must be celebrated in Bengal. It would be the biggest slap to these jihadists.